Managing a water network is a balancing act. Managing a wastewater network, that's a battle. But the biggest threat isn't what's in the pipes, it's what's trying to sneak in. We're talking about inflow and infiltration, the twin enemies of a healthy sewer system. It sounds harmless, clean water entering a sewer, but when clean water hijacks the system, it's a recipe for disaster. So how does the enemy get in? Inflow is the front door intruder. It's rainwater surging through illegal downpipe connections and pouring into manholes during heavy storms and flooding. Infiltration is the silent seep. This is groundwater leaking through cracks and damaged seals and aging pipes, fueled by the soil around them. Our sewers weren't built for this. When millions of extra gallons of clean water flood the system, it puts an immense strain on networks designed just for wastewater. The result? The breaking point. Excess water and sewage burst out of manholes, spilling into our streets, parks and rivers. It's a massive blow to public health and a nightmare for local ecosystems. So how do we fight back? Illegal downpipe connections must be rerouted to discharge into storm drains. Drainage around manholes should be improved to keep the floodwater out, and level monitoring can be used to provide early warnings and pinpoint where leaks may be occurring. By staying proactive, we keep clean water where it belongs and ensure our sewers flow exactly the way they should.